Welcome to Palmstreet Seller onboarding videos. In this video, we will cover how to go live. Inside of your profile in the app, you will see the green plus button. Here you can schedule live shows, purges, and invoices. If you click in to schedule a live show, you can create a private show, or as we call them, practice shows. Every show that you schedule here will have a notes section. You can add a notes section specific to your live stream. These notes can include special deals, sales, or shipping information. Be sure to edit the notes before each live stream and include important information about your live stream. Customers will be able to refer to these notes throughout the entire live stream. On this screen, you will also be able to see how long you have until your live show starts. Here you will be able to go live and share your live stream. If you click practice, you will be in practice mode. We highly encourage everybody to try out practice mode before your first live stream. You will be able to test out all of the features before actually going live. The feature to note here is the live support button in the top left hand corner. If you're ever having any issues during a live stream, you can apply for support and a moderator will hop in. A Palmstreet moderator will hop into your live stream and help out. When the moderator hops in, be sure to describe the issue in detail so we can help out. You can test out all of the features in practice mode, including the screenshot feature. You can take a screenshot of the item you're showing and create a listing from it. You can easily pin items this way. If you click into advanced settings, you can get more settings like shipping and quantity. The listing plus or plant plus button is another way to add a listing. You can also decide if it's going to be a set price listing or an auction listing. When creating an auction listing, there are also other features to add in like snipe mode and dynamic bidding that can be turned on. When live streaming, the shop icon in the bottom right hand corner is the #1 spot for everything in your live stream. It is the hub for all of your listings and one of the easiest ways to remember to create a listing. You can also bring in listings from your marketplace shop on your Palmstreet profile. You can import multiple listings at a time from your marketplace into your live show. An important key thing to remember is that an item has to be pinned at some point during your live show for it to be available to purchase. You can repin any unsold items, but when an item is currently pinned, it will show up on the main live screen. We recommend to pin items when you're directly showing them on the screen. If we go back into the live shop icon, you can see all of the listings, even the ones that are sold and the ones you want to do a giveaway for. Promoting and offering giveaways is a great way to engage your audience. Creating a giveaway in the app is essentially creating a listing. You have to pick a cover photo, a title, and a description for your giveaway. The giveaway feature in the Palmstreet app is an automated feature. You can enter the giveaway value, the shipping rate, and the timer, and include tasks or no tasks. Including tasks is a way to encourage and engage your viewers to enter the giveaway. Don't forget you have to click Start and Pin for your awesome giveaway to start. Now let's talk about dual streaming. You can dual stream with other customers and sellers. Just click and hold their username in the comment section and invite to dual stream. The other user will be invited to dual stream with you. You can also use a second account to show off your listings while also showing off your face on a dual stream. Also, by tapping and holding a customer's username in the comments, you can send them a custom order. Custom orders are especially great for handmade items. They are also a great way to secure a sale. There are also these 3 little dots. Here you can find additional settings like sharing your live stream. Sharing your live stream helps gain bookmarks, popularity, and helps you improve your sales. If you ever need to turn off your mic, you can also do that here. The ding noise after every sale can also be adjusted here in your sound settings. When you are ready to end the show, click the X at the top right hand corner. Just be mindful of when you want to end the show and if you want to pause it instead. If you have any app glitches, just be sure to reboot the app. Now that your show is over, you can copy any unsold listings into your shop. You're able to pick exactly which listings you want to copy over into your marketplace. Afterwards, they will automatically be put into your marketplace shop and you can view them directly in your profile. Thank you for watching and be sure to catch our other tutorials.